What is up, guys? It's Jason McElchar here. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. In today's video, I'm going to go over the exact feature that I sold within my high-level SaaS business to get my first 5 clients. Use this exact feature right here. Get your first 5 clients, even get your first 10, 15 clients using this so you can start making an extra 3 to 4K every single month. Pretty simple with this exact automation right here. I'm going to show you a quick demo on it and also how you can set it up for yourself so you can implement it within your clients. So we're going to jump straight over to the computer, and as you can see, I have something called Demo Review Me, and pretty much this is just a demo page that I show to my clients. This is just for the purposes of this demo right here. You're invited to review your business name here. This is extremely simple to set up. It's just a landing page, the simple form on here, and the whole idea behind this is you would create one of these landing pages, and I have a snapshot and everything for this, so you can easily duplicate this. You just create a form, and your clients as customers would literally just fill this form out, and they would get emailed asking to leave a review. So as you can see, I just filled out my name, my email, and my phone number and hit submit. So then whenever I head over to my email inbox, it just says, "Hey Jason, we really appreciate the opportunity to serve people like yourself. This email is completely customizable. This is all set up in the automation that I'll show you after." It just says, "We'd really appreciate it if you could leave a review for our business here." And once we click on that text right there, it takes us to another part of the funnel, and it just would have their logo on it, and it has, "Would you recommend us?" 1 through 5, and 4 or 5 is green, and 1, 2, and 3 is in red. You can customize this whatever. Sometimes I have the number 3 in orange, but so what happens here is whenever your clients' customers click either 4 or 5 stars, the pop-up comes up asking them to leave a review on either Google or TripAdvisor or Booking.com or pretty much whatever booking or review platform that you want to use. But whenever you click either 1, 2, or 3 stars, it takes them to an internal feedback form, and on this internal feedback form, this is a chance for your clients' customers to get, whatever negative situation that they want to get off their chest. As far as they're concerned, they've left a negative review. This would go straight to the business owner right here so they can, reach out and try and fix the situation. If it's a restaurant, your client could offer like a 20% discount or whatever on their next meal. There's so many different ways your clients can do things here. You just gotta get creative. But I'll show you exactly how to set this up, the automation and the funnel. So whenever you head over to high level, and if you don't already have a high level account, there's going to be a link down below. You can sign up for that. At the end of this video, I'll tell you a bit more about how it all works, but it's literally just a simple funnel right here. And if we go to the QR code 1 demo business review funnel, we'll edit this in a new tab. We'll wait for it to load. This is literally one of the most simple automations that you can set up, but it's one of the most powerful things that you can set up. It's literally just a few sections right here. You put their name on there, you put their logo, and it's just a simple form. You just head over to the funnel builder, drag the form in there that we've created. It's literally the most simple form. It just has name, email, and phone. You can remove whatever part. You could just do name and email. It's completely up to you. So whenever we head over to automations, here we have a few different automations, and the one that we want to use here is a review request with delay. And this is the automation that actually triggers once your client's customers fill this out. So it's the form submitted as a trigger, just says client information for reviews form. We add a tag just to say that, this person is going to leave a review. We then add them to a pipeline update opportunity. You don't need to do this, but we like to just do this to actually just keep track of all of the customers leaving reviews. We then have a delay of just 0.01 minutes. You can add on maybe like a 30-second delay or a minute delay or 2-minute delay, whatever you want to do. Then the first email, it pretty much just has the custom values in here. Hey, contact first name, please leave a review for our business here. This is where you customize everything. You can change it, and you just hyperlink this right here to actually include the link for leaving the review for the customer. So after 3 days, it's going to follow up. But the important thing here is if they already have left a review, we want to pull them out of the automation. I'll show you how to do that in just a second. But we have a 3-day follow-up. We move them in the opportunities tab, and then we send another email and another email. We pretty much only send 3 emails altogether before we just leave it. So the second part of this automation is the Google review trigger link, and you would just duplicate this for any other platform. I just have this set up for Google right now. Pretty much what happens is we have that Google link set up as a trigger link. So whenever they click on the link to leave the review, that's the trigger right here. We literally just remove them from that previous workflow. This lets the system know that the person has actually went ahead and left the review, so we don't keep following up with customers even after they left a review, because that would be pretty pointless. I would say your system's outdated, or you don't know what you're doing, or you're just sending me spam because they've already left a review. We pretty much just remove them from all workflows. At that stage, they've already left a review. It's all well and good. And the third part of this automation right here is the internal feedback form submitted. And this is the most powerful part. The trigger here is the form being submitted from the urgent feedback form, and we literally just move that person to the negative review stage. We then send an internal notification, and on this notification you would update this to have your client stuff. So let's just say your client's name was Michelle, for example. We just have Michelle, you've received a new feedback submission after a review request. Here's their info: contact first name, contact last name, contact email, contact phone, and contact message. So in the message, that's where the actual negative review that your client's customer receives. So whether it was the food was undercooked or pretty much whatever they've said in there, this goes directly to your client so they can get the email and they can just reach out. They can, give them a call or give them an email just to sort of try and fix the situation a bit. So it is extremely simple to set up. Once you have the funnel set up, it's just as simple as connecting up their domain. So it's actually, coming from their website right there. It would just be, just create a subdomain. So whatever business it is, let's just say it's like demo business. You create the subdomain, so it would be review.demobusiness.com or whatever it is. So it's extremely simple to set up. It usually only takes around 15 to 20 minutes per client, but once it's set up, it pretty much runs completely on autopilot. You don't got to do any more setup. It just runs. Your clients will pay you whatever they're paying you every month, whether it's 97 a month, 197, 152 a month, 500 a month, whatever your clients are paying you, they just pay you for that every month, and then you can eventually upsell them on the different parts of High Level. So if you are interested in starting a free trial for High Level, I'm going to leave my link down below. As you can see, here it is. It's my extended 30-day free trial link. Usually through the High Level website, you only get a 14-day trial, but through my exclusive extended 30-day free trial link, you get a full month to try out the software, get it up and running, and that gives you enough opportunity to actually sign your first few clients and everything. Those 30-day free trials don't come by very often. High Level reach out to a select few people and just team up, and so we're able to actually offer that. So don't miss out on it. Click the link down below and get signed up. If you're already a High Level user, let's just say you're already signed up through the High Level website or under someone else or whatever, and you did want to upgrade, let's just say you're on the 97 or the 297 plan, and you want to upgrade to the SaaS Pro 497 plan, you can come down here, already a High Level user, click this, fill out the form, and you'll get upgraded. You'll receive all the bonuses like my course, my mentorship program. You'll get access to me for one-to-one pretty much whenever you need. You get access to all the templates, all the snapshots that I've created, like the one that I just showed you. I have a snapshot for this, so you can import this into all your clients' accounts. You don't have to go through all the headache and everything in terms of setting that up right there. So it's pretty much just copy and paste for all of your clients. So again, if you do want that 30-day free extended trial, I'll leave the link for that down below. If you do have any questions, you can comment, you can reach out to me on Instagram, whatever you want to do. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and I'll see you in the next one.